Hi! Welcome to ExamEase. In this video, I will show you a demonstration of this online exam system. First, let's create some questions and store them in the question bank. Enter the question title. Select a subject for the question. Select the type of the question. For now, the system offers two types of question. We will add more question types in the future. Now, add some answer options for the question. Now, I am going to add more questions for this demonstration. We can also import questions from Excel. Download the Excel template and fill in the questions. Now, upload the Excel file to import the questions. The questions are added successfully. Now, add answer options to the questions that were just added. Some validations will be going on while adding answer options. For example, duplicated answer options are not accepted, which can prevent mistakes from the teacher. In short answer questions, teachers can set multiple correct answers. If a student's answer matches any of the correct answers set by the teacher, it will be marked as correct. Okay, let's create an exam now. We can schedule a start date and an end date for the exam. Once the start date and time arrive, students are allowed to begin the exam. However, once the end date and time have passed, students will no longer be able to start or access the exam. The duration field here pertains to the length of time that students have to complete the exam, which is indicated by a countdown timer. We can choose whether or not to randomize the questions on the exam. We can also choose whether or not to display the question and answer for the students after they complete the exam. Now, add some questions to this exam. We can select questions from the question bank. After adding questions to the exam, we can allocate marks for each question. We can now publish the exam after confirming that all of the exam information is correct. When the exam is published, students will see it listed as their upcoming exam. They can start the exam when the exam start date and time are reached. This exam is for classes 1A and 2A. I am going to see who the students are in class 1A. Then, let's log in with the student. Students can see a list of upcoming exams on their dashboard. In the upcoming exam list, as you can see here, the mathematics exam is displayed, but students cannot start the exam yet. The exam will begin at 4:53 p.m. Let's wait for it and start the exam at 4:53 p.m. Okay, it's 4:53 p.m. now. Students can go to the current exam page to click the Start button. As you can see here, the countdown timer is following the duration set by the teacher, which is 10 minutes. If the student did not save the answer and immediately click the Next button, they will be redirected to the current question. The student must save an answer for the current question before going to the next question. When students finish answering all the questions, they can exit the exam by clicking the Exit button. Then, student can see their score immediately. The student's results will be reflected immediately in the admin's or teacher's account too. Navigate to the exam result page, where the admin or teacher can see the details of the result and export it to Excel or PDF. Nine minus 0 should be 9, but admin or teacher set 0 as the correct answer. Okay, when the admin or teacher found that they had set the incorrect answer as the correct answer, they can change the answer, and the system will do the regrading automatically. Let's change the answer now. Okay, let's refresh the result page to see if the score is being recalculated. Cool, the scores are updated. Let's refresh this page also. Okay, it shows that the student got the score for this question. Nice! Okay, what will happen when the countdown timer's time is up? I will demonstrate this now. For exams that do not randomize the questions, the admin or teacher can drag and drop the questions like this to arrange the question order. Okay, now let's start the exam. Student has only 2 minutes to complete this exam. Okay, now I will wait for the countdown timer to finish counting down, so that we can test the times up feature. Okay, few seconds left, it's going to time's up. As you can see, when the time is up, the system will redirect the student to this time's up page. The student must click the exit button here so that their score can be calculated. Okay, now I am going to demonstrate how to export student results to Excel or PDF. Go to the exam result page, click on the exam that we want to export, and then click Export to Excel or Export to PDF. Okay, now, I will demonstrate about displaying the questions and answers for the student. Go to the Edit Exam page. Set Display Answer to Student to Yes, then click Save. Now, log in for the student to see the effect. As you can see here, the students are able to study the questions and answers now. Students can also save the result as PDF. That's all for today's video. Full source code is available. Link in the description below. Thank you for watching.